Stop scrolling. This one sentence can change your financial future. Saving money won't make you rich. Investing will. While you're holding cash, inflation is silently stealing from you. Your money is losing value even when you do nothing. Rich people understand one rule early. Money must work harder than they do. Start small. Stay consistent. Be patient. That's how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. Follow investment mindset and think like the rich, not the average. Nobody told us this about money. Saving feels safe, but it's actually risky. Because money that doesn't grow dies. Inflation doesn't care how hard you work. Only investments fight back. Only investments fight back. You don't need to be rich to invest. You invest to become rich. Follow investment mindset and upgrade the way you think about money. If you're broke right now, listen carefully. It's not because you don't earn enough. It's because you weren't taught how money works. The rich don't chase salaries. They build assets. Assets pay you while you sleep. That's the real game. Follow investment mindset because financial freedom starts with mindset.